Step 1. Draw the structure of the egg skull. First, we will be drawn to the English alphabet U as a little curved. Step 2. Draw the broken part of the eggshell. Step 3. Draw the body of the bird. The body of the bird should be drawn, only the side of the head. Just show the head because the rest of the bird is inside the egg. Step 4. Draw the bird's eyes and lips. The baby bird's eyes will be round. We will draw two long beaks right in front of the baby bird's eyes. As if he was screaming for food. The chicks cry out for food in this way. Step 5. Paint the body and lips of the baby bird. The baby bird's lips will be orange. Do not use oil pastels here. Use the orange rule pencil here. Then we will paint the body. We will give yellow color to the body of the baby bird. Here we will use yellow oil pastel. After painting with yellow oil pastel, rub with tissue paper. Step 6. Paint the baby bird's eyes and eggshells. We will paint the star of the bird's eye black. Then paint the eggshell blue. Paint the eggshell in such a way that the outside of the eggshell is a little bluer and the middle of the eggshell is light blue. You will paint the eggshell with a blue rule pencil. Step 7. Highlight the outline of the baby bird. With the help of a black marker pen, we have drawn step 4, and we will highlight it. Highlight means nothing more, you will highlight the outline you drew with a rule with a black marker.